I'm showing you the Bari Select from Moxie Enterprises. And this is not just any Bari Select. It's not a 42-inch Bari Select. It's not a 48-inch Bari Select. It's not even a 54-inch Bari Select. This is a 60-inch wide Bari Select mattress. This delivers true low air loss therapy. It also delivers pulsation. I showed you a video on pulsation at one point in time as well. You can find that in the archives if you want to see it again. So this is the only mattress we know in the marketplace that delivers true low air loss and pulsation therapy to provide some alternating pressure to help heal and treat wounds. This is a queen size mattress. Let me show you a little bit of perspective on that real quick.
This is a Prius AI1 bed, extended out all the way to 48 inches wide. You can see there in the center where the bed deck is, that's 36. This is out to 48. Let me show you what a 36-inch mattress looks like on here. Obviously still a lot of room to either side.
So as you can see with this one versus that 36-inch mattress, look at how the mattress, it's hanging over the side rails on that side. Again, this is a true 60-inch. It's going to fit on a queen size bed. It is the only one that we know of in the marketplace. So we want to make sure that you guys were aware that we can make a mattress this large. Again, we can also do a 54, which is a full. So please talk to your sales rep, inquire about it. If you do have patients that need something of this size, whether they are that big or they just want a little bit more room and they have a bed to accommodate a queen size or a full size true low air loss mattress. So thanks for taking a look.